Improv, man buys new car. Let the story commence. Craig walked into a card showroom dealership, whatever you call them, and went, I need a new motor, and I need it new. And the person went like that, whoa, slow down there. What type of car are we looking for here? Are we looking for a sport? Just any motor, need it new. Well, I wouldn't be doing my job properly if I didn't give you exactly what is best for you. How much you look, what kind of car are we talking about? Sports car, family car, Ford before? Just roughly, just ballpark area. Just in the ballpark. I'm looking for a motor. Right fucking new. Listen, I'm more than happy to sell you a card, but can you give me, well, this one here, and it was let me see, it was exactly this motor here, Ford car. There you go. Is that there? Right there. What's that then? What's that there? A Fiesta. It was that there. That was it right there. Ford Fiesta. Will this do you? Just for starters, I mean, I'm assuming it's not the first car I picked. That's the one. That's it. Let's go. Okay. Know what to take a look around? I want a fucking motor. All right. Okay. So we have. How do you think you'll be paying today? I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry. Can we slow down just a wee second? What's going on here? What's the deal? If you pardon the pun. Because normally what happens is someone comes in and they want to have a look at the cars and try them out and look at the interior, and it's a particular kind of car, and I've just basically pointed to the first car that was there, and you're just willing to take that. What's going on here? And Craig said, am I buying this motor or am I no? Because I can just go somewhere else. In fact, you know what? I think I will. And the guy went, whoa down there, cowboy. Well, let's put this through. So how will you be paying? We've got payment plans here that say cash. Cash. Yep. And he brought out roll of money that size. Craig went like that. How much is the motor? 16. Fucking 19 fucking grand? 20 grand? For a fucking motor? For a Ford Fiesta? I thought they were just sort of like, alright, kind of, nothing special. Fucking, fuck off, man. 20,013 pounds. 20,013. How much? This goes for £20,013. So, right. Doing with the money like that. Like that. And then Craig said, I've not got 13 quid on me. I've only got hundreds. This is fucking hundreds. I've only got hundreds, well, like that. A hunter, like that. That's a hunter. Okay, I'll just get you changed. No, you keep that, mate. You keep that. You keep that. Keep that. You want me to keep a £87 tip? Craig went, aye, keep that. And then Craig got in the motor and drove the fucking thing away. You know, they did all the paperwork and all that sort of shit, but that was it. And the guy went, that's unbelievable. Charles, you would believe what just happened there. This chap came in and he explained the whole thing. Really? Charles, I just pointed at the Fiesta and I said that, for example, and he jumped, he just went, that's the one. And he left. I've never been, I tell you something, it's the first time I've been strong-armed into a sale. It's normally the other way around. A bit like what that person said in the film Psycho. Have you seen it? Have you seen Psycho? And then, you know, like when she goes to buy the motor in Psycho. And then there was a guy who worked in the car dealership who was for Northern Ireland. Specifically, he was for... Born in Coventry? What? Did I know that?
Hi, I'm Mark Cousins. I'm a filmmaker and writer. I make films about films. The most famous thing I've done is the story of film, but I've done lots of other films about walking, about Iran, etc. I'm passionate about cinema, and we're standing in a cinema in Rotterdam at the moment, and we're about to announce my next film. Hi, I'm Mark Cousins. I'm a filmmaker and writer. I make films about...
Northern Irish, based in Edinburgh. He's in Edinburgh. Right, where did you fucking grow up, mate? Right, born in Coventry. Ballymena. Right, there we go. Ballymena. So this guy was for Ballymena. So he's English then? Not Ballymena. And this guy for Northern Ireland walked up, who walked with. Is that the whole thing?
With all its talk of box office, the film business would have us believe that money drives movies. Ticket sales, marketing, glamour, premieres, red carpets. But it doesn't. Money doesn't drive cinema. The money men don't know the secrets of the human heart or the brilliance of the medium of film.
And this guy who worked here overheard them talking about Psycho and came up and said, Psycho? When Alfred Hitchcock decided to make Psycho, it was just seen as a stopgap film between his colour films. That's why he decided to film in black and white, cheap stock. Now I heard you speak about this guy, Craig, buying a car. This is the first time Ford Fiesta's been sold this quickly here in the history of car dealership. Yeah. And John, who was the guy who worked there, went, just a wee second. And that guy went away. Mark Cousins says, a fan of you? Fucking shut up, you. Anyway, so that guy, John, which is a car dealer, went like that. Right, listen, let's just leave it there. And he went home that night. And he was having dinner with his wife. He cooked a lovely dinner. He said, I'm going to cook a lovely dinner because I've had an amazing day the day, an amazing sale. It's unbelievable. And they sat down and they were having their meal and all the rest of it. And she was saying, that was really, really nice. And then there was a chap in the door. And John looked through the wee peephole. Who's that this time? Looked through it. Got a peephole on the front door, like that. It was they stayed in a kind of block of flats, so everyone had a wee peephole. It wasn't like a main door, if you know what I mean. It was like a block of flats, like that. And there was that guy for that earlier that day who bought the motor. I think he said his name was Craig. He wrote it was on the card. Craig. You never forget a name like that. Hey, man, that's that guy for the. And he opened the door and went, "Hello, all right? How's things?" And Craig went, "All right." And John went, "All right. How did you the guy for the day? How did you get my address? What's this?" And he said, "I'm here to get my money back." And John went, What money? What? The money? I gave you the hunter, and I said, you keep it. The 87 quid left over. I said, you keep it. Yeah. Right. No. I'll have it now. He said I was to keep it. How did you get my address? I was to, and he noticed a bit of blood on Craig's arms, wee bit of blood, and John went like that. Are you all right? I just got your address. Doesn't matter how I got it. Got it for one of your workmates earlier today. I'm ready to have my money back now. And John went, the 87. I thought you gave me that as some sort of tip. And Craig went, I'll give you a fucking tip, all right. Give you a tip of this fucking knife, you cunt. And John went, hey, ho, and shut the door. And Craig went like, no, ho. Put the foot in the door. Back, mate, back. Pulled the knife like that. Back. Fucking back, mate. Back in. And his wife saw it. Mary, she went, ah! And Craig went like that. This isn't about you. That's it. You can leave. This isn't about you. You can leave. And she went, oh my God. He went, and he stood right out the door and went, look, putting it down. Look, I'm putting it away. And she ran. And as she was running away, he shouted, by the way, don't phone the police. If you phone the police, I'm stabbing him to death. Right, I just want to speak to him. If I see one post come up to this building, he's getting stabbed. All right? I just want to chat with him. Where you go? Those biceps, man. So, she went like that, right? He went like, oh, you go. Right, go. And she saw, as she was going by, she saw him like that, the muscles like that. No, you can go. And she, walking by, she went like that, even though, the knife and the whole fucking thing was scary, she went like that. And John went like that, right? How did you get what's going on? I'll get you your money. I thought you were giving me as a tip. I don't know what's going. No, I said there's a hunter. I said right. So it was 2013 quid, and I gave you the extra hunter, and I said right, you keep that. The 87, and I kept it. Hold it for me. You keep that, right? Keep that just now, and I'll get it later. Kind of like random acts into computers. And John went, was it do you want your money? Are you into computers? Do you know what RAM is? Random access memory. Do you know how it's used to transfer, it's kind of like short-term, it transfers it to the thing, and you can get like bottlenecks. You got to make sure you get the right memory. It's not just about 16 gig or 32 gig. It's got to be DRAM, and it's got to go the double-sided sort of stuff, and then there's burst cache and all that sort of shit. And John went, what is it you're wanting here? I want my money. Craig went like, had the knife like that, I want my money. And he's like that. He was like that. Craig was going like that. I just want my money. Mate, I fucking... And John went, "You're right, I've killed your work, mate." Ah, you bastard. I just get these fucking headaches, mate. I just get these headaches. And John went, what is it you want? Just geez, I don't fucking know. How many flights up are we? 10. Right, open the window. I'm jumping out. No, don't do that, mate. Right, well, what am I meant to do here? I backed myself into a fucking corner, mate. I've never killed any cunt in my life, but you'll be fucking surprised how fucking easy it is. And John went, I'll be honest with you, mate. I'm fucking terrified here. Can I just phone you the police? Can I just phone the police, or an ambulance, just to take care of you? And Craig went, "Aye, that might be all right. Aye, just do that. Just do that." And John picked up his phone and went like that, and Craig went like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" "Ah, you fucking... Oh, what are you doing?" "I'm phoning the police." "You phone the fucking police, you cunt!" And start fucking him. And then, while John was like, fucking blood was like that. And John was looking at it, seeing it, going like that. Oh, knowing that he was dying. Craig took pity on him and thought, I don't want this guy suffering to go on. So he opened the window and he said to John, "Where's the safety? It's just got a safety catch or something, so you can't, so you can't accidentally like fall out." And John was like, "Don't do this, mate. Don't do this, mate." And Craig went like, "It's happening. My headache's starting to go, by the way." And opened the window and lifted John up. And John was like grabbing onto the sides like that. And Craig went like, stabbed his hands like that. "Don't, mate, don't do that, mate. This is just going to take fucking longer. I'm trying to end your suffering." Like that. "Ah, mate, that's it. Out he went. And as he was falling out the building 10 floors up, what Craig did was he went like that. He spat out the window like that. He did that while he was holding John. And then when he pushed John out, he went like a big fucking, he had the cold, a big mouthful of snotters. He greenered up, a big grog. And it was timed perfectly. When John hit the deck, here was the funny thing. When John hit the deck, he actually landed on Mary. So Mary went like that, splat. John went splat, and then the greener went splat on John's face. And because his face was all fucked up, it actually went through his face and onto Mary's face as well. And it was just a big mess. It was a mess. That was it, really. That was it. The end. It's just a slice of life kind of story. It's just a kind of slice of life story. Really, it's just a kind of story where these sorts of things just happen. It's not really got a beginning, middle, or end. It's just a kind of slice of life sort of thing. How do I know that happened? That was a true story, by the way. That was actually a true story. Want to know how I know? I'm Craig. That was me. And I haven't had a single headache since.